So this is the LinkedIn Ads Expert AI agent. So let me walk you through what was built. So this one I thought was pretty clever. We have this running from a Google Drive. So basically, this is a kind of immature version right now. These are the files that are loaded in here. And then basically, the logic is any file that's created or updated is going to go through this motion. And basically, anything in this folder is what the bots, the agent's memory is. And anytime you update it or add something new, it immediately goes through this flow. It'll extract the text from a PDF. It'll clean that up and it'll store it in our Supabase vector database here. And then that's what the agent up here is going to be using. Down here, I'm a little less familiar with this side, but our partner here has created this flow, scheduled maintenance every 3 days. And then this is the kind of agent flow. I like this option up here. The prompts are actually stored in Airtable, so it's really easy to edit. This is like the big super prompt I have right now to structure the outputs, but I could easily change this, and in real time, it would change like what this bot is pulling from. And then down here is kind of this is the chat interface, and so this is what this looks like. If I ask a question and I say, when should I use follower ads on LinkedIn? It's going to get that prompt. It's going to ping the agent. It is ciphering that into an AI chat here. It's going to ping the database and send it back here. And then we should be getting our answer. And then the output is kind of determined by the prompt that I have in there. So first, it's going to start with a too long, don't read. Use follower ads when you're aiming to grow your company's page's follower base for long-term engagement. It's also ideal for brand visibility, nurturing potential leads. Avoid using follower ads if the primary goal is direct response or immediate conversions. Longer explanation here, some best practices. And then this I thought was actually clever. Additional resources. So instead of just using this AI agent to give you answers, it's better than just normal like ChatGPT because this is like answers you trust. This isn't just like answers it sporadically found online from different sources. If you believe that Impactable is the LinkedIn ads expert that you trust the most, what does Impactable have to say about the subject? Like that's going to be first and foremost what you care about. So this is trained on our 33-page best practices document here that our team has put together. Our benchmark report from 100 plus B2B clients. It has Dream Data's benchmark report in here. A course I made for CXL, some of our frameworks. And then I kind of did a lazy approach with content. It's not trained on the full articles yet. I kind of just wanted to test this motion. So it has like just the article names and then a handful of like my best posts here. But and some of these links are a little broken, but it shows a couple of articles that are relevant, a post that is relevant, and then a YouTube playlist. And then it says, for more information, subscribe here. So it's like educational, but then it's also like content distribution. And again, specifically from like my archives and for these topics. So to me, this is pretty big breakthrough because this is like not just a LinkedIn ads like database, but it's also like content distribution curated for your specific question and pushing kind of, our Impactable narrative. So this is what we've been up to and making progress on this. And I think this project is going to take off from here.